Hey everybody, welcome to our very last week, week 10 of English 101A. This is our final week of instruction. We still have finals week next week where you will submit the final reflection and e-portfolio for the class. This week, however, you also have a big week. Monday of this week, you have your final draft for major paper number 2 due. Right? You have reading notes batch number 2 due on Monday as well. So double check the guidelines and your responsibilities as a writer to input MLA style, format, documentation, citation, all that good stuff in your final draft of your paper, and that your reading notes are following the correct format, as I don't accept image files, so you have to embed those if you take pictures of handwritten notes into a Word document. Okay, so a couple of little important things there regarding those 2 assignments to make sure that you have completed. Okay, so this week you'll spend the majority of the week working on your e-portfolio and your reflection letter. If you have any questions about how to create that assignment, first start by looking at the Setting Up e-portfolio page, and I've got some steps and some screenshots and a link to a video tutorial that walks through how to create that, how to publish that, how to find the URL to send to me for that particular assignment. So all of that information is within the tutorial, but if something isn't making sense or isn't jiving for you, contact me directly and I'll help walk you through. Okay. Other tasks this week, you have an exit survey that you need to take, and I've got that set up as a prerequisite. So our weekly module, week 10 module, you have to view or submit everything listed in order to progress to the next module for finals week. So in order to submit your final portfolio, you do need to make sure that you have completed that exit quiz. Okay? A couple other really quick things. Do not forget to sign up for our English 101B class next quarter. We continue a lot of our instruction from this quarter into that quarter. We look at revision more. You'll have more practice revising papers. You'll pull a paper from this quarter and use next quarter. Okay, so it's very important that you sign up for our section specifically. One, because of format. We're online and we'll be online next quarter. We don't have any kind of hybrid requirements, so we keep that streamlined. And secondly, because of content, we will pull from content that's specific to our section next quarter. Okay, so there's a lot of carryover that happens, so it's necessary that you sign up for our section specifically. So if you haven't done that, make sure that you do so. All right, we have an extra credit opportunity at the end of the week to make sure that you've been watching these videos that have been posted. All right, and I have regular office hours. If you need to get in touch with me for any reason, feel free to contact me and we can set up either an email exchange or a Zoom appointment. All right, one last thing for you guys with regard to your final portfolio. There is one requirement that I've got listed within the assignment and on the course schedule that sometimes gets glossed over. As part of the portfolio, I want you to go back to the feedback I gave you on major paper number 1, and I want you to make revision to that essay. And it can be light revision. It can be going through and proofreading a little bit more closely. It can be changing out a paragraph of content, or it can be fixing up some works cited or in-text citation. And then I want you to include that in the portfolio to show progression of your work and progression of ideas. All right. Again, if you have any questions at all for me, don't hesitate to get in touch. All right. And I'll see you all next quarter if I don't talk to you before then.